Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best travel gear and accessories. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at one of the top-rated replacement parts for RV awnings. The Carefree of Colorado RV Eclipse electric awning replacement motor and gear assembly. If you're looking for reliable and high-quality Carefree travel awning parts, this is one product you won't want to miss. If you own a Carefree Eclipse electric awning, you know how essential it is to maintain its motor and gear system to keep everything functioning smoothly. Whether you're replacing a broken motor or upgrading your existing system, the Carefree of Colorado RV Eclipse electric awning replacement motor and gear assembly is designed to get your awning back to peak performance in no time. This motor and gear assembly is engineered specifically for Carefree Eclipse awnings and is compatible with all models up to 21 feet in length. It's important to note that this product comes as a complete unit, meaning the motor, shaft, gears, mounting bracket, and roller tube collar are all included in the kit. This is an all-in-one solution, which makes the replacement process much easier compared to sourcing individual parts separately. However, it's worth mentioning that plastic end cap covers are not included in this assembly, so you can reuse your existing ones if they're still in good condition. One of the standout features of this replacement assembly is its ease of use. It is designed to be installed on the right-hand front arm of your Carefree Eclipse awning, ensuring that the motor fits seamlessly into the existing structure. This targeted design helps with a smooth operation, restoring the full functionality of your awning without any hassle. The Carefree of Colorado RV Eclipse electric awning replacement motor and gear assembly is also built to last, offering durability and reliability even in the harshest outdoor conditions. Whether you're setting up camp on a sunny beach or under the stars in the mountains, this replacement motor will stand up to the elements, giving you the peace of mind that your awning will operate efficiently for years to come. Installation of this unit is straightforward, though it's always a good idea to consult the installation guide or a professional if you're unfamiliar with RV maintenance. Once in place, your awning will operate smoothly, providing the shade and comfort you need for your outdoor adventures. Priced at around $216, the Carefree of Colorado RV Eclipse electric awning replacement motor and gear assembly is a great investment for those who want to restore or upgrade their RV awning's performance. With a high rating and positive feedback from users, it's clear this product offers excellent value for money. So, if you're in need of a reliable replacement for your Carefree Eclipse awning motor, this product is one of the best options out there. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the best travel gear and accessories. See you in the next video.